If you want to use the A/B testing feature for your YouTube title, I show you how. I'm using mobile phone, so you can literally use on any device. First open the browser you usually use. I open Chrome and just click here and type studio.youtube.com and search, and long press over the first link and open in new tab and click the tabs and new tab. So for me it's directly landed. If it goes to YouTube or YouTube Studio, just uninstall that app and came back here and try again, and then it will be work. In case it shows the mobile version, click the three dots and select desktop site. So now use your two fingers and zoom and click here on the profile, or if you see sign in, just sign into your YouTube channel and click switch account and change the account. For me it's this account. Now zoom on the left side and then click the second option, content. So here it is. So you can add this A/B testing for YouTube title for new videos and also for old videos. But for old videos it doesn't create any impact much. For new videos it works fine. So you just open the video you want to add this feature. I just open one of the video and click A/B testing and select title only or thumbnail only or title and thumbnail. So we can add up to 3 thumbnails and titles. It's up to you. I just click title only. For this video it's about title, so it's same for thumbnail and both. You just enter the title one and another title, then click set test and you are done. Then it will run the test like this. If you open that, you can see this. If you want to close the test, you can use this option, edit and stop, or click view report. So it's still testing, it takes time. Estimated time remaining 13 days, so 2 weeks. So here you can see. So in case if you manually want to select any of this thumbnail or title as your permanent title and thumbnail, you just move like this and you can see this option, set this option. So if you want this as your title, you choose this. In case you want to select this first one, you just click this and stop, and that's it, you are done. So this is basically how this A/B testing works on YouTube. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube, you need to watch this playlist.